Hi, I'm Kris Oldland, Editor-in-Chief of Field Service News. Today I'm really pleased to bring you another from our series of excerpts from my in-depth interview with Pål Rødseth, the CEO of Asolvi. In the full-length video, which you can access at fieldservicenews.com, you'll see how Paul and I discuss a whole wide range of issues, including the challenges for the SMB sector, how Asolvi are looking to unify what's a very fragmented solution provider network across Europe, as well as some ideas around the thinking of what the future lies for Asolvi as well. But now let's have a little look at this excerpt from that series, and be sure to check out the full video at fieldservicenews.com as well. The name itself, obviously we're speaking in English, it translates very easily into English. It strikes me as something that will be quite easily translated across various European languages, and I know that's part and parcel of the project that you guys are undertaking here, is to kind of build a cohesive brand that kind of builds upon the strengths of the components and is more of a European reaching brand than each of the individual components. Was that part of the full process as well, the fact that Asolvi will work in Norwegian and English and Swedish and perhaps in French and etc. elsewhere?
We've obviously had that as one of our criteria. We do have a pan-European approach to what we do, and the name should work in any languages we have, and we were quite firm that we wanted a .com domain, not an individual country domain. We still believe that the service management software industry in Europe is too fragmented. Mm-hmm. There's too small players that will not be able to take the technology shift that the customers require. So we do expect to continue the consolidation in the industry, and we do want to be the leading force doing so.
To take that point, by bringing these three companies together, you've been able to obviously broaden each organisation's reach across Europe, and as you say, it's this very pan-European focus that you have now. Have you found any unexpected challenges in specific different geographies, nationalities, etc., in terms of the customer expectations? Are there regional differences that you may not have anticipated, or that you find as a challenge at all?
We're seeing certain regional, what I would call challenges. As you know, we have expanded the Tesseract product into Europe, and we're starting off in Scandinavia first. We're seeing that we're getting quite some customer, what I should say, input into the products. Specifically the mobile aspect of our solutions, there's quite a high standard for what we need to achieve in the Nordics. And I think that is giving us valuable input to product development in the next version of Service Center that we'll start to see coming out later this year. But I think also we're seeing a good chance to harmonize a lot of the products as we go forward. We're currently rolling out a new help desk solution, which is based on Zendesk, which will be offered to our new products to all over the Asolvi brands, and that is showing that actually the sum of the parts is bigger together than it is on their own.